Hey everyone, thanks for joining the Create Websites and Profit program. So I just thought I'd do a quick opening video to welcome you to the course. This is just going to be a quick intro video kind of explaining to you who this course is for, how you can make money from applying the things that you will learn in this course, and what are some of the things that you will learn. So who is this course for? So many people out there today would like to be able to create websites. They have no idea how to create a website. It's actually fairly simple to create a website. It's just you got to know a few of the the basics and the fundamentals, the foundational things related to getting your website set up, getting everything pointed correctly, and making everything kind of work together. A lot of it's just practice as well, once you know all the fundamentals that I teach in this course. So anybody who wants to learn how to create websites, for personal use, for business use, general interest, blogging type websites, that type of stuff, e-commerce. We're going to cover all that in this course, okay? And there's different opportunities to make money, obviously, under those in those different areas, okay? So that kind of touches on this point. How can you make money? There's a multitude of ways that we're going to discuss on how you can make money inside the course. Once you know how to create a website, you can go and build websites for people in your local community. There's a ton of business owners out there that have no clue as to how to build a website. They know they need a website. They have no clue as to how to build a website. They've tried to build websites, and they're disastrous. They're not set up correctly, or they just don't simply have any idea as to what they're doing. So those are easy. I place ads. I placed free advertising in a free advertising classified website in a specific area for whoever, and just said, hey, I'll build websites or create you a website or web design work or whatever. And, I get people messaging me. I'm not even paying for it. I'm not even paying for the advertising. And I get business owners or people that are inquiring about prices. So, just one web job from that, just one simple web job for a small business owner is easily going to pay for this course multiple times over. You don't have to go crazy with your prices, because if you start going crazy with your prices, obviously the people are going to expect more and more. And I think if you keep your prices fair and reasonable compared to what a typical website would cost, you're going to get more business. You're going to get more people that are potentially going to go with you because you have a reasonable price for a web design. Okay, but we'll touch on some more of that in some later videos. Other ways that you can make money, obviously, is through affiliate marketing, like affiliate links on your websites. So you could pick, different products that you're going to do reviews on, products that you've researched, like keywords that people are searching for, or popular products that are out there. You can set up websites based around keywords for those products, review the products, talk about the products, pros and cons, whatnot. You can build those types of websites with affiliate links, linking you to things like Amazon, where people can buy the product, or there's other websites where people can make purchases for you, which is like affiliate marketing, which is like through sites like ClickBank. ClickBank's a huge online marketplace that has tons of products that are created by other people, and you can go on there once you sign up and you can promote anybody's product, and you typically make, about 55% or so, I believe, is the minimum that they can pay you. So commission on whatever you sell. So if they're selling a product that's, $60 product, you're going to be making over $30 a sale There's products on there though that are $200 each, that are $400 each, that are, $100 each, and the commissions vary depending on the person who created the product. They set the commissions, but that's all inside of the that particular platform, ClickBank, as well. So that's another way that people make a lot of money. If they talk about specific topics or keywords that people are searching for, things that are trendy, things that are popular, fitness-related products, detox products like for weight loss, anything, get your ex back type products, relationship products, gardening, anything. There's all sorts. There's no limit of the products that are on there, actually. Building muscle, all that type of stuff. So you can go and talk about and write articles to have on your websites. You can go and link to those particular products, and you make a sale. You're getting the money deposited into your bank account. Okay, so that's another simple method. There's other things that you can do for affiliate products, for affiliate marketing, like CPA offers. There's a ton of things that you can do. Like I said, Amazon, you can market to Amazon, direct people to them. They click your link, they go buy something. You're going to make a certain percentage based on whatever they buy. So what's the next section? It's what will you learn? Okay, so what will you learn? So I'm going to touch on, obviously, the main idea behind this course is to show you how to create a website, how to get right from the beginning. So getting the domain name, setting it up, pointing the domain name, changing the servers, pointing to your web host, where to get your web host, how to install the necessary platform, how to get everything connected, how to go in and create your pages, what settings you need to set inside your websites, plugins and things that are going to help your website to rank better and add certain little features to your website, optimizing your website for better search rankings in Google and search engines like that, helping your website to load faster, different things that need to be done in order for you to have your website running the way that it should. And then once from there, like, the sky's the limit. I'm going to be touching on some e-commerce as well, too, showing you how you can set up an e-commerce website once you know how to build your website through using WordPress. And yeah, I'm just thinking of what else. There's a lot of stuff that you're going to see. You're going to see there's a ton of videos here below this. This is, like I said, this is just the intro video. So there's going to be a whole bunch of different topics there. And as I think of new things to add that I think are relevant and are important, I'll add them here as well. But it's definitely going to be a good thing for you to be able to just learn how to create a website quickly, simply, for your local businesses in your community or for yourself, blogs, general interest sites, linking out to affiliate products, linking to Amazon products, linking to other offers, that type of stuff. And I'll give you a little bit of SEO, search engine optimization tips in there as well. But I'm going to try and do it in such a way, too, that I keep it basic and uncomplicated, but at the same point, give you all the foundational information that you need to be able to go and create your own websites, okay, and start making money for yourself. So, yeah, that's what we're going to discuss. So I look forward to seeing you as you go through the rest of the videos, and I'll talk to you and walk through different steps in the process of creating websites in those videos. So remember to take your time. If you have any areas that you're not quite sure on, you can always go back and watch the video again. So that's what I would encourage you to do. And anyone else that you might think might benefit from this, you can always direct them to this course as well. And yeah, you'll be good to go, and you'll easily make back the small investment, the very small investment, that you paid up front for this course. You'll easily be able to make that back just from a local business alone. Easily. I do it all the time, and I don't even advertise. If I advertise, they're probably tenfold my money. I just don't do it because I am involved in other things. But yeah, so I look forward to seeing you inside, and look forward to being able to help you to build websites. Enjoy.